Mom, are you awake?
Yes, Lily. Good morning.
Can we do something special today?
Of course. What would you like to do?
I want to spend the whole day with you.
That sounds wonderful.
Can we make breakfast together?
Yes, let's make something delicious.
What are we gonna make?
Let's make pancakes and fresh fruit.
Can I mix the pancake batter?
Yes, but mix it slowly.
Like this, Mom?
Yes, you're doing a great job.
The batter looks so smooth.
Now we can cook the pancakes.
Wow, the pancake is getting bigger.
Be careful, the pan is hot.
Breakfast smells amazing.
I think you're ready to eat.
This pancake is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
What should we do after breakfast?
How about going to the park?
Yay! Yes! I love the park.
Then let's get ready.
Which shoes should I wear?
Wear your comfortable white sneakers.
I'm ready, Mom.
Great, don't forget your water bottle.
The park looks beautiful today.
Yes, look at all the colorful flowers.
Can we walk near the lake?
Sure, but stay close to me.
Look, Mom! There are ducks.
They are swimming very peacefully.
Can I feed them some bread?
Let's not feed them bread. We can simply watch them.
Okay, Mom. I like watching them.
Me too. Nature is beautiful.
Mom, can we sit under that tree?
Of course. Let's rest for a while.
I like spending time with you.
I love spending time with you too.
Can I tell you something?
Of course. I'm listening.
I want to learn how to cook.
That's a wonderful idea.
Will you teach me?
Yes, we can cook together every weekend.
What can I learn first?
You can learn how to make a simple salad.
That sounds easy.
It is easy. But you must be careful, you must be careful.
I want to help you at home.
Thank you, sweetheart. That means a lot to me.
Can we go home and make lunch?
Yes, let's go home together.
I'll carry my own water bottle.
Good. You're becoming very responsible.
Mom, today was really fun.
I'm happy you enjoyed our day.
I learned many things today.
And I learned that you are growing up so quickly.
I always want to spend time with you.
You will always have a special place in my heart.
Thank you for today, Mom.
You're very welcome, my sweet girl.
Can we have another special day tomorrow?
Absolutely. Every day with you is special.